See if you can drive over or something, Colin.
You don't want that one.
No, not in the fucking field.
Where do you drive?
I meant like back that way a little bit. God, dude, there's so many birds here.
Look at them all. They're still coming in, too.
Yeah, they're still coming in. Look at all these. My new duck hunt's back. I would love to hunt that field. Maybe they're not flying. They're just flying here. Oh, it helps. You got a lot of freaking decoys there. Get him up. Get him up. Get him up. Oh my God! Stop! Stop! Holy shit! Should I run into him? Oh, you see? Oh my Lord! Look at them all! Holy shit! Oh my God! Shooting range! Shooting range! Look at them all!